Recently, I made a video about Palantir reaching $100 a share, and many people gave me a lot of comments about how impossible was that Palantir will reach $100 per share. And I know many videos out there are actually showing Palantir reaching even $500 per share, but no one is actually showing how it could reach the $100 a share that they are talking about. So in this video, I am going to show you with all the numbers how Palantir could reach $100 a share and possibly get up to $500 a share in the future. Many of you who have seen some of my videos know that I have been buying Palantir stock for a few years already, buying at less than $10 a share, even less than $6 a share, and buying and adding more shares at even less than $15 a share. And many people continue to ask, is it still time to continue to add shares at $25 or more per share of Palantir for the future? So I have a lot of information that I have for you right now that I bet you have not seen at any other channel or any other video. Palantir, at the moment I record this video, is at $22, almost $23 a share. This company reached over $35 a share in January 2021. So it's been 3 years, and right now the company have not reached the price that they had in 2021. This company, at this moment that I record this video, has a market cap of over $48 billion with a total revenue of a little more than $2 billion, reporting a net income, positive net income of more than $200 million. If you look at the past 5 years, the revenue for this company continued to grow year after year, including the year 2023, where if you look at the earnings per share, it was reporting losses all the way to year 2022. But this changed in 2023, reporting positive net income of around 9 cents per share. Now, looking at the next 5 years, you can see how the revenue continues to grow more and more, reaching over $6 billion as a projection for the year 2028. And looking at the earnings per share, it continues to increase significantly in the year 2024 at over 200%, with large increases for the next few years. So let's look at 2021, when the company reached over $35 a share, where the company had a revenue of about half of what it has right now. So it's almost doubling the amount of revenue than 3 years ago when the stock reached over $35 a share. So the question that many people have is Palantir able to reach $100 a share? In my opinion, for Palantir to reach $100 a share, it will need to produce more than $4 billion in revenue. So if we look at the graphic, it's showing that after the year 2025, getting into year 2026, the company will be generating more than $4.5 billion in revenue. And even now that the company reported 5 quarters in a row, the company is about to be included in the S&P 500. And this will be a great step into the success of Palantir. And let's remember that the company continues to try their products, and many companies where Alex Karp mentioned that they were doing about more than 500 boot camps, where these companies are trying their product, but they haven't been able to sign up or really produce any income from all these boot camps. So imagine the growth that this company could bring into their future. So these are the reasons why I have been buying stock at less than $7 a share, at less than $10 a share, and also less than $15 a share, and even at less than $20 a share. Because in reality, if the company is able to reach $100, what is really the difference if you bought at $7 or $8 or even $12 or $15? You are still going to multiply your money. but you need to be convinced and have the conviction that this company is going to continue to succeed, which is the reason why I decided to invest in this company. So let's take a look at these numbers. Right now, Palantir has 2.1 billion shares in the market. And if we multiply that number by about $23 a share, that gives you the $48 billion market cap that it has right now. So by thinking about Palantir reaching $100 a share, and if we multiply it by the 2 billion shares that they have in the market right now, we are talking about that Palantir will be at $200 billion market cap if Palantir was able to reach $100 a share. So think about it. $200 billion will be the market cap when Palantir reaches $100 a share. But let's talk about, is it Palantir able to reach $500 a share? This is going to be very interesting. So let's do the same exercise, and if we multiply $500 a share times 2.1 billion shares that are in the market right now, it's showing us that the company will reach a market cap of $1 trillion. To give you an example of what it's like to have a 1 trillion market cap, let's take a look at Meta, as known as Facebook. At the time of recording this video, Meta Platforms has a market cap of around $1 trillion with a total revenue of $134 billion. So is it possible that Palantir could generate this amount of revenue per year? Something important that we need to keep in mind is that Palantir created this software that is selling to all these companies and governments around the world, and software that is just selling copies, accommodating this software to that specific company. Something like Microsoft, the biggest market cap in the entire world right now, at over $3 trillion. So Microsoft created, for example, Microsoft Office 365 and this operating system that sells copies every single year to many, many companies in the world. And this is why this is one of the things that I like the most about Palantir. And it is the gross profit. The gross margin for this company is huge. It's over 80%. And it continues to increase quarter after quarter due to the software is already made and they're just making copies and selling these copies to many companies. So this is going to continue to allow Palantir to make more and more gross margin as well as net profit for the future of the company. This is why it's very possible that in 8 to 10 years, Palantir could reach a great number that nobody is expecting right now. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about all this information? I will be reading all your comments, and if you think that this information has a lot of value, don't forget to share it with people that want to succeed as much as you do. I took the time to create a new VIP club to show you how I invest $250 every single week in a brand new account, because I would like to show you what would I do if I had to start from scratch all over again. So I will leave you the information right here that you can scan with your phone or look at the description of this video. This is a great project that is going to benefit many people around the world. Again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found a lot of value in all the information that I wanted to bring to you. I want to continue to create a great impact so you can develop a better future for you and your family. There are so many great things coming in your way, so get ready because the best is yet to come.